On the Birdfy app, connect and set up your camera. So guys, to add a device on your Birdfy app, first of all you prepare your application. You download the brief app from the app store, then create its credentials and log in. Another thing is guys, ensure your Bluetooth is enabled on your device. After that, go to the home page of the application, then tap on the option of plus icon. After that, select your specified Birdfy product. Example, Birdfy feeder, cam or the bath pro. Okay, after selecting this, simply press and hold the power button on the camera for about 3 seconds to turn it on. Then double press the button, then LED indicator should start flashing blue and you will hear a periodic chiming sound indicate the device is ready to pair. This will prompt you enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network password. Okay, then a QR code will appear on your phone screen. So you hold your phone screen at the distance of 5 to 15 centimeter in the front of the Birdfy cam lenses until you hear an audio prompt and the flashing blue light turns solid. Once connected, the app will ask you to name the device and set your location, which helps to calibrate the AI bird recognition feature. So guys, thank you.